Hello everyone, welcome back to Be10x channel. Today also we will be seeing how to handle the missing values on data analysis. As you all aware, there are various ways how to find the missing values. So this also will be a different method. When the data are different, the handling missing data method also will be different. So now let's look into the code.
Working professionals, if you haven't upskilled yourself in 2023, then this is the last chance for you in order to hike your salary, in order to become irreplaceable in the job market, and in order to gain most in-demand skill. Yes, I'm talking about the skill of ChatGPT and AI tools.
This is we'll be using ChatGPT. Okay, and this is the input file. Okay, so same, we have salary, and we have the values like 50,000, 52,000, 51,000. Here there are two values it is missing. Okay, and you can see all the salaries are of same range. Okay, there are no outliers. I meant to say there are no high values like in terms of 10 lakhs or like in terms of 10 lakhs or 20 lakhs, or it is all within the like 50 to 70,000 at the max. Okay, so let's see what method it is using. Okay, so that we will get the proper normalization, so that it will help our data analysis part well. Okay, so I'll be using this ChatGPT. Okay, so I have attached the same whatever you have seen this Excel sheet I have attached here. Okay, and now I'll be giving the prompt. Okay, attached it above, and use Python code to find the missing values for salary column, right? Because we used the salary, the column salary column, and we need to understand, right, which method it is using, right? There are various ways, mean, median, mode is there. So let's see which method it is using, because we are not finding any outliers in our data, right? Whatever you have seen, there were no high values, or it was not a skewed data. So let's see how this ChatGPT is helping us to get the code. Explain the method used to handle missing values. Okay, so let's see. By the meantime, guys, one important update. Okay, as you all aware that AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI, and you don't want to get affected by this recession wave. So AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will replace your job. So if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tools workshop, in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. And all the installation steps and other AI tools will be explained detail in our Be10x program. So make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description. So if you go over here, okay, just giving this part, and this will be the Be10x link. Okay, and you can see, if you scroll down, you can see the upcoming workshops. Okay, if you go over here, AI tools, office using AI, Power BI. So go over here. Now you are registering. So it will take you to this page. When will be the next workshop? And you can see the testimonials and reviews, and why to join this course, and what you will learn. So all these informations are available here. Okay, so don't miss to join this course, guys. Okay, so let me go to this ChatGPT. Okay, the ChatGPT contains single column salary with some missing values indicated by NaN. To handle these missing values, one common approach is to replace them with mean. Okay, so last time we have seen median, this time we are seeing mean. Okay, this method is particularly effective when the data does not have extreme values, outliers. Okay, so we do not have outliers. That is one of the method that we are using this mean. Okay, and that can skew the mean. So it's a way to fill the missing data with a central tendency value, maintaining the overall distribution of the data. So it is given the calculated. Okay, it calculate the mean. The missing values in the salary column have been successfully replaced with the mean salary, which is approximately 56 like okay $1,000. Okay, approximately like okay. So then I will be, now it has given this method. Okay, it has given the method and how it has been used, that also it has explained. Now we'll ask the code. For the above. So it is giving load the data from the Excel sheet, calculate the mean of the existing, replace the missing with. Okay. So it's giving replace this path to actual path. Okay. So just I need to copy this code. I'm using this Google Colab. Okay. Paste it here, and it has already said, okay, use that exact file in the location. So my file is present in this location. Okay. And the file name will be right missing values mean, right? Wait. Okay. So it has given, so it is calculating the mean of the existing salary. Okay, so because we are finding the salary, and then it is giving data salary dot fill name. Okay, and okay, now data contains the updated value as you need it. Okay, so if I give, so it has like the salary. Okay, the updated salary has been given. Okay, so earlier it was like this, right? So earlier it was, there were two blanks, right? After the 51,000. So you can see after the 51,000, it has filled with this value, mean value. That's information that is given over here also, 56,636. Okay, and here also the same part. It has given 56,000. Okay, and for example, if you want to display, right, before how is uh, the value before updation? I'm just giving. Okay, you can use ChatGPT also, but for understanding purpose, before finding mean, I'll put okay, or actual value, and I will give /n so that will come to the next line. Okay, and then I'll be giving data. Okay, so that it will print. Okay, the next part will be this will be like after modification, or we can say updated values. So now let's see how it is. Okay, so this is before it has been updated. Okay, how it was the actual values. NaN means it is empty. That's the meaning. So here it has given updated values. Okay, so we will ask such that the updated values should have only two decimal points. Okay, two values after the decimal points. Okay, we will ask it. The replaced values must have uh, only two digits after the decimal, must have only two digits after the decimal. Okay, let's see how it is giving. So it is giving to replace the missing values with the mean salary rounded to two decimal. You need to slightly modify the code. Okay, so let's see. So it has given it this way around. Okay. We will use this also. Okay. This is another way, guys. Okay. So I'm copying the code. I'll be going here. I'm pasting this code here. Again, I need to replace the same part. Okay. The file will be same. I'm copying this, my file. So it has given, see, rounded. Now rounded data and mean comma 2. That means 2 while. Okay, let's see how it is. This also after. This is for the next line. Okay. Yeah. So this is salary. This is the old one, old salary. So this is the new salary. Okay, guys. So see, it has come only the 2 digits. Earlier part, it has brought the like what to say 5 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. Okay. So like this, you can fine tune for your desired result. So now you got right. So how to find the missing values using the mean method. Okay, that means there should not be any outliers. It should be in the range. Okay, within the range. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this session. See you again. Take care. Bye bye.